Hello guys, this is Shafi and Tex back with another video. Guys, in today's video we are going to unbox a power bank which name is URBN, and this power bank has a capacity of 10,000 mAh. So I got it from Amazon, yes, Amazon, and the price of this one was 749 rupees for one product. And this is a very tiny product, guys. That is what attracted me into this, because all the 10,000 mAh versions which I found on the internet was actually pretty big, and my sister already had one Ambrain 10,000 mAh. That was actually pretty very tall and very big too, very thick. But this one is very small and pocketable, guys. It can easily be held on your hands very comfortably, and it will not take many space, and it is not that heavy, but very portable, guys. It is very portable, and I ordered the special camouflage color, and it has a heroes branding for some credit to our Indian soldiers and all. And it looks pretty very cool, guys, and the texture on the front and back is very amazing. You also get a micro USB charger with this device. Yes, guys, this power bank doesn't support a micro USB type C charger, but only a micro USB charger. So that is one of the downside of this product. And we also get a warranty of 1 year, and there is three ports in this power bank. One is a fast charger, one is a slow charger, and one is for charging this power bank. And I really like the way it looks, and it is very cool. And the orange accent on the side is also very amazing. The price of this power bank is a little on the higher side, because you can get 10,000 mAh power banks at 500 rupees from iBell. But I really like the finish and the comfort of this particular power bank. When you're going for cheaper variant, you will get a bad product. So you can see the size is very small. During the charging test, I found that the port near the power button is the fast charger, and the other one is the slow charger. If you like this video and find this video useful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.